think it's just there.
You're feeding it with bacon strips.
I think. Wait. That's a big split actually.
Is it?
Yeah. Right, we'll have to put some more sealant in.
Okay.
Because that's big.
Look, I've got a green screen behind me. You can put whatever you like. There you go, Mike. Green screen.
Well, we're at the point of no return now. It is off the bead, so you have no choice. This is either going to work or it's not. Can't believe the state of this bike. Why haven't you cleaned it? Oh yeah, the mechanic does that. I forgot.
Wheelers at Large mechanic. Didn't wash the bikes.
No, he didn't. He is slacking. Slacking at best. Right.
Trying to lose your glasses.
Yeah, I know, I hate glasses. Honestly, I don't know why I bother with them. You don't get tired of being Spider-Man, do you, Philly?
No, they don't do that.
Right.
You can have to stick up.
Oh! Come on. That's annoying.
It's not on the bead.
No, it's not that. There was a Stan's bunny in there that got caught in the rim. Ah, isn't that annoying?
Yeah, what's a Stan's bunny?
A lump of dried sealant
Oh,
that got
lump of
pushed
dried
out the
sealant.
rim just as it was sealing. I might have to re-seat it again.
Really?
Alright, come out. Oh look, it came out.
You got it?
That's it, I reckon.
Yeah, you think you've done it?
Yeah, I'll do the rest by hand.
Excellent. I got a new GoPro. What is it, Mike? A GoPro 9?
Yep.
Hero 9. Hero 9?
Yeah, that'll do.
Okay. Hero 9. I can actually see myself on the front of the camera. Well, I could. It's switched off now. Why did it switch off?
That's because it's got a sleep function, but I didn't know.
Oh, I can't see myself now.
Wait a minute.
Well, that worked well. Not.
You can't check your hair and makeup, is that what you're saying?
Can't check my hair and makeup. Yep. Well, we didn't get very far before Mike got a puncture. He's fixed it, sealed it. He'll put that in the edit, I'm sure.
Well, so far so good. I've managed now half a mile and 100 yards. But yes, the bacon strip seems to be holding, and I managed to actually shove the nozzle of the Gorilla Glue down between the tyre and the bacon strip, so I'm hoping that will help because it's an impact one, so the actual pressure pushing down on it should set it off pretty instantly. Oh, let's hope for the best. Anyway, half a mile down, 42 to go. Let's see what happens.
We've made it down to the beach without further incident. Pulled onto the beach. And we're into the wind.
Cruise ship update. We have 4, but they are 4 different ones. So yeah, 4 big ones this time. The little 2E one seems to have moved on. Julie was going for a bit of aero there.
Yeah, I couldn't see a thing there for a moment. Blinded by the sun. Oh, you gave up with them, did you? Okay.
Every now and then, Julie has these little bursts of speed.
No,
What?
you can't. Go over and have a McDonald's.
Well, no, not yet. Maybe at the end. We can stop at Christchurch on the way home. We ought to do a drive-through test and see if they'll service all the bikes. I remember when these footpaths and these little inclines used to be hard. Anyway, not so much these days.
Funny old bridge, that one. Oh no, I've done this so many times. That was hard, I nearly didn't do that. Oh, that was hard. I nearly came to a stop. I kept going though.
Julie's leading us out the hills today. It's her turn. Actually, to be honest, this is the only one on this particular route, but the only big one.
You pinch my bum and there'll be trouble.
Nice little run down there.
popular route, especially in the dark, because it's quite easy and flat to do, so no real hazards as such.
Well, I haven't filmed much from Fern down to here because we've done a push on really. I certainly haven't let up. And I just realised that the moon is almost a full moon, but it's red. And I can't blame my glasses because I haven't got any glasses on now. But you see the colour of the moon? Yeah.
Been quite a fast run through here actually. Julie's kept up. It's been nice and flat and it's pretty smooth with the pine needles on the ground, so, and dry. Julie's been whinging a little bit. It's been a stressful week, well, a couple of weeks one way or another. And even though she wanted to come out on the ride tonight, it was her idea, the route and everything, she is whinging a bit, and I think maybe a couple of days rest, just sort of relax, get over the last couple of weeks and, you know, recharge a little bit. Maybe go back out the weekend, Thursday possibly if there's a ride, but yeah, one way or another. Even professionals have a day or a week off every now and then. So I think we've probably earned that.
I need to stop. Thank you. Need to stop.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes. Yeah, there's a full moon with clouds all around it.
Yeah, now we're the other side of Ringwood. It's got really chilly actually, but I mean not cold, but definitely chilly compared to coming through Wimborne and that.
Yeah, it was chilly down by the river there. Seems to be warmer coming away. Just about to go back out into the countryside again, away from Ringwood, towards Ripley, Stockley, that area.
You've seen us do this many times before. This is down to Ripley, through Sopley, the Lamb Inn, and then sort of Neecroft area, across the footbridge, and back along Iford Lane. Julie stopped to put her gloves on, so that's a sign of the cold. She's actually wearing long-fingered gloves for the first time. But I must admit I am wearing 2 t-shirts tonight, which is unusual for me, so definitely getting chillier. I wouldn't say it's cold, it's just chillier. I of course have just slowed down to a snail's pace to ruin my average speed, because it's something I seem to do. But, I can see her light, so I know she's on her way.
I've just stopped to put my gloves on, and Mike didn't wait. So I'm all on my own in the middle of nowhere. I know where I am. It's fine. Where'd that sunshine go? I'm cold.
Well, that was odd. We've just crossed over the Sopley road, and it is noticeably warmer on this side of the road. Oh dear. Which is a good thing, for sure. As we approach the town, it is getting noticeably warmer. I don't know if it's because we're nearing the sea or if it's because we're nearing the town, but anyway, much warmer here.
I think you can't always enjoy a ride, not every ride. The last 5 miles I found really hard work. I think I've run out of steam. I tried to eat, but I don't know, I found it really hard work. Maybe I put too much effort into the gravel between Ferndown and Ringwood. But I suppose a day at work and then an evening out on the bike. And it got cold. I don't know. Anyway, we're back in civilization.
Just come through Christchurch, about to go across Tuckton Bridge, and I have to say Christchurch had a thriving little nightlife going on there. Yeah, which is good to see. Not crowds and crowds of people, but there was definitely, you know, a good few tables being used in the restaurants. So. Tuckton Bridge. So anyway, this has been a very chilled ride back. We did give it a bit of a push between Westmoors and Ringwood along the trailway there. And since then we've just sort of been taking it easy. So junk miles, base miles, call it what you want. It's actually been quite pleasant. So anyway, back into town and the noise of the traffic and everything else. 3 miles from home now. Just gonna take it easy. Must remember to get milk on the way. No milk when we get back, no tea. That could be a problem.
There's Mike. Doing a bit of no-handed for some reason. Bit of no hands there, Mr. Wheeler.